In this video, we will show you how to replace your fuel tank straps on this Jeep Patriot. You'll have one of these located along each side of the lower aspect of your fuel tank. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way underneath the rear of your vehicle. Located just in front of your rear wheels, in the center of the vehicle is where your fuel tank's located. Along each side of the fuel tank, you're going to have a fuel tank strap. The process for one will be the exact same thing as the other. To start, let's make sure we have some support underneath the side that we're starting on the fuel tank strap. We don't need too much pressure here. Now make your way in front of the fuel tank. As you follow the fuel tank strap, you're going to find that your fuel tank strap leads to your emergency brake cable. We're going to separate this area. To do this, remove your 13mm mounting nut holding the emergency brake cable in place. We'll slide that emergency brake cable bracket out of position. A quick inspection of that, confirming it is still reusable. Now we can make our way directly above that area. You can see a 16mm mounting bolt. We're going to remove that now. Now keep in mind, you do not want to remove this until you have support underneath your fuel tank. Let's pull this out of place. Now we're going to pivot this down. We're going to be paying attention along the back side of the fuel tank now. Now in this area, it's a little bit difficult to see, but you should be able to lift up the strap. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of our brand new strap, we need to make sure we clean and inspect the mounting points. We'll start up along the front here. We have our mounting bolt port that goes up into the body of the vehicle. Of course, we also do have the bracket for our emergency brake cable. We already inspected that. Now let's go ahead and make our way along the back side of the fuel tank, and we're going to clean the port on the body along the back side. This area is a little bit difficult to reach, but as long as you can tell it doesn't look rotted or weak, we should be good to continue on. Okay friend, it's time for installation of our brand new fuel tank strap. We're going to start with the rear. We'll go ahead and start bringing this into position. You should be able to slide it down. Once you have the rear slid down into the fully locked position, we're going to swing the rest forward up into the forward mounting point as well. Along the front area, we have our brand new mounting bolt. Of course, we're going to use that. Slide that through the fuel tank strap, and then you're also going to find that you have a locking washer. This washer itself is going to get placed just above the fuel tank strap, in between the strap and the body of the vehicle. Let's bring this up and into position, and we'll start it in by hand. Now that we have the front started in, let's just have another quick peek along the back side, confirming it's properly seated as it should be. We'll go ahead and snug this up, and I'm going to torque it to 25 foot-pounds. It's time for the emergency brake cable. Let's get that bracket in place. We'll snug it up. I'm going to torque that to 20 foot-pounds. Remove support. Okay friend, we finished the installation of one side of our vehicle's fuel tank straps. The process for one side is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've completed that, go ahead and make your way out from under the vehicle and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.